Hello everyone, myself Rashmi R. Naik. We have done research under the guidance of Professor Ravikiran R. My co-authors are Kavana S.K., Rekha L. Joshi, Hazaresab R. Odekar. The title of the research is Design of Model to Collect the Solid Waste and Produce a Methane Gas in a Bin over a period of time. Let's begin with the abstract. As you know that handling of municipal waste is a very tough task. We have come up with a design of model so to reduce the workload of municipal council and to reduce the epidemic diseases that causes harm to the environment. The model is also applicable to the individual houses and groups of houses. In this, different proportions of cow dung will be used to test the gas production. The collected waste is properly blended with the cow dung vegetable waste and it is transferred in a bin. Here, the decomposition takes place through anaerobic process. Anaerobic process consists of four steps: hydrolysis, acidogenesis, acetogenesis, methanogenesis. Hydrolysis, a chemical reaction where particulates are solubilized and large monomers convert into simpler monomers. Acidogenesis, a biological reaction where simple monomers are converted into volatile fatty acids. Acetogenesis, a biological reaction where volatile fatty acids and are converted into acetic acid, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Methanogenesis, a biological reaction where acetates are converted into methane and carbon dioxide while hydrogen is consumed. After certain days, it produces methane gas by the reaction. The produced methane gas consists of some impurities which is then checked for quality. The byproduct of this process is manure, which is also tested for the quality and it is used for agriculture as a natural fertilizer. Now, coming to the introduction, this model engaged household that demands the services of solid waste management within the area. The environment we live provides support for our survival as well as other living beings. Globally, efforts have been made to make people aware about the need to protect the environment. Human activities create waste, and this waste are handled, stored, collected, and disposed of, which can pose risk to the environment and to the public. Municipal solid waste is generally a combination of household and commercial refuse, which is generated from living community. Uses of methane gas: used as cooking gas, used to produce lighting, used in production of other components, used to run industrial machineries. It is also used to produce carbon block, used in the manufacture fertilizer ingredient. Coming to the materials used, water can. This is used for collection of materials and for the purpose of storage. A water can is portable container. Electric pipe. This is used for the purpose of smooth flow of gas produced from the water can to the collector tire tube. Properties of electric pipe. It has good ductility, low temperature, impact resistance, permanent flexibility, temperature versatility. PVC ball valve. Valve is a device that regulates, directs, and controls the flow of fluids by opening, closing, or partially obstructing various passageways. This is used to control the flow of gas from water can to the collector tire tube. Tire tube. This is used for the purpose of collecting the gas and storing it without the leakage. Now coming to the methodology, we collected the kitchen waste, vegetable waste and segregated into biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Then the waste is converted into the small pieces so that it helps and accelerate the speed of decomposition. We had started this process in the month of March when the temperature will be usually 28 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius in Majali Karwar. The vegetable waste was blended with a certain proportion of cow dung and water to accelerate the process of decomposition. We have conducted the experiment in a small scale where the results can be relevantly used for large scale processing of solid waste. So, main problem faced during this process is the foul smell, production of bugs and control of leakage of gas. These are the problems we expect during the experiment. So, the control of odor were where temperature, moisture and cyanide are managed. These control odor to the some extent. Coming to the design, here we use water can as waste collection tank and tire tube as a gas collector digester. Choosing a right biogas digester is a very important while constructing a biogas plant. The collector should be leakage proof, durable, non-reactive material because it can be react with gas. So tire tube is used to produce gas, passes through electrical pipe and collect in the tire tube. The pipes are used to make the flow of gas smooth and it must be leakage proof. From the standpoint of fluid dynamics and structural strength, an egg shaped is the best possible solution. PVC ball valve is used to control the flow of gas. Application. This practice is highly lucrative, keeps the environment clean and fresh, saves the earth and conserves the energy, reduces environmental pollution. Design materials are easily available. Electricity generation can be done by using biogas, cooking fuel as sustainable energy source. It can be used as a clean renewable fuel for transport vehicle. It can be used into biogas fuel cells. Coming to the conclusion, this method can be adopted for the rural and urban area for methane gas production and consumption. After the production of methane gas, left off material can be used as manure. It will fertile the soil and increase the yield of agriculture production. By adopting this model, operational cost and managing the solid waste is easy and economic. These are the papers, some of the papers we have referred. Thank you.